Avian, close. Say hello. He's sleeping in the bed, watching something on his mobile as usual.
Not as usual. Are you ready?
Almost. Can I have some juice?
Some orange juice.
This is mango. Oops, oops, oops. I broke the fish. No problem, anyway, we'll make it half.
Falcon.
Where did you see falcon?
Those people were falcons.
Oh, yeah. It's local area people.
What are they doing?
So we are almost done. 2 minutes and we can finish it off. Looks yummy. Yeah, it's okay. It's done. Our fish is ready. Now it's time for vegetables. So we are almost done with the vegetable fry. It's actually half fry. It will be nice to have with the salmon fish. As you can see outside, we are still in desert. Avian is doing something with that person over here, the falcon. Wow. Falcon bird. It's popular here.